Okay, so as promised, here is a new video of a tour of my new craft room. I have a little sign. I had this upstairs too, but because I should not be climbing the stairs as much as I used to, my husband and my son, thankfully, moved my craft room, basically just my sublimation, or just my embroidery room downstairs. So here we go. So as you walk in, I have my sewing machine and my PE800 machine on this nice new table they just put together. And I have my cute little chair. I just got that too. And I have pegboard and a place to store my paper for my printer and all my printable items like printable vinyl, water slides, things like that, since my computer mostly is going to be down here, my laptop. So, and then on the pegboard I have my ribbons. I tried doing some tutus, so that's why I have a lot of ribbons. I realized I'm not sure if I want to do tutus yet. I have my embroidery ribbon, or my embroidery thread, and another holder for my embroidery thread. I'm a little Grogu, of course, he makes me happy. I have my label maker, later label maker. If you don't invest in those, if you're really doing a lot of orders and stuff, investment, this is a good investment right here, this label maker. Because I was printing so many labels on my printer and running through a lot of ink. So, and then, of course, there's my thread. And over here, from this over, is my, like, day job, so we won't see that. I'm not going to show you that. It's kind of messy. So then over here, pictures, diploma, things like that. This is where I have all my fabrics sorted out. I have them sorted out basically by pattern. So up here I have baby stuff, which I don't have a whole lot of baby patterns. And then this is more of just your basic, your different patterns like bumblebees and frogs and flowers, mermaid, things like that. Then down here I have 4th of July, patriotic, birthday kind of patterns like balloons and rainbows, football, cars. Right here I have all DC Comics, anything that's TV related, Cinderella, Star Wars, things like that. This I just threw up here. This is for bears. This is applique for bears and stuff. This is all like check, polka dot, swirls, patterns. This is my ready to ship items. And these are my baby blanket fabric, minkies and such. And down here is ready to ship and my basically filing papers. I just throw it in a bucket for right now. I do have a stack of beach towels, and those are just blank shirts I'm going to try to mock up. Do some pictures for mock-ups. This is all extra ribbon and tulle and elastics. And then we have my new machine, brand new machine with the stand, really awesome. My husband made a pegboard behind it, thankfully, because I did have some more stuff now. These are patterns that I've made for Lovey's, brags, and bibs, and I'll probably be doing some more patterns because I want to start doing some actual baby clothes, some Johns, making them from scratch. I'm going to start using organic materials for those and fabrics. So those are in the future. And this pegboard holds my P800 hoops and pens, pencils, spray. I have my mannequin holding some of my hats. Right now I have my plastic folders for my orders. And that holds all my orders, not just my embroidery orders. This is my shipping station right here. These are really handy. I got these from Amazon. And here's my table. I love my table. I got this also from Amazon. I have it extended all the way out. These do fold down both sides if I wanted to. but I usually use it all the time, so I just leave it folded out. Some more storage bins, iron storage bin I got from Walmart. All the storage bins I got from Walmart. This one right here was green, and I just got, plastic spray paint and painted it teal color because that's kind of like my theme and my logo is teal and turquoise and such. Then I've had this forever. This is like a rotating picture frame, and I've had this thing forever. And if you notice some of the pictures, these are all my old work, like when I first started working. And it's funny to watch some of these pictures I didn't even think I had anymore from an old computer. That was right there. That was like just a plastic cup. Oh, that was a plaque. It's turned sideways though. That was a plaque I made for my son. This is an old shirt for someone, a customer that she wanted. I mean, some of these pictures, it's like, oh wow. I mean, really old. But it's nice to see where I started from and where I am now. I don't have any new pictures in here. So that's an old rhinestone shirt I did a long time ago. It's just funny. That was something I made for my father-in-law. But it's just funny to watch some of these old pictures come up. I'm like, oh yeah, I remember making that. Moving right along, I have a little shelf up there with some pictures and a little motivated saying frame. And this is awesome. This is what I got from Michael's. This holds my fabric that is just solid colors, and I have them sorted by color. And it also holds some special fabric, like the special mermaid fabric, the neon, like glittery orange fabric, red metallic fabric, the oil slide fabric, things like that, tie-dye. And then it goes on down to, this is actually fabric as well. Then it goes on down to this, and this is all glitter that I would use for appliques. I have a little sit stand thing in case I get tired sitting. Here's my hat hoop station. I may move that though onto the actual the machine, which came with something you can actually hook it to. And then let me move my little pillows out of the way. This little corner pillow area is kind of like my daughter's play area. Then I want to show you where I put all my blanks. So this closet is double door closet, which is very helpful. There is my light hoop. Remember my light? Move that out of the way. So these are all my blanks. If you ever go, and I think I got this at Michael's. It's very handy. This right here. I think I got this at Michael's or Walmart. Probably Walmart. And it just velcros onto the rod. And it's supposed to hold like sweaters, but this is very helpful for holding blanks. So these are all my sunsuit blanks, sunsuits. Here are all my from infants all the way to 6 on t-shirts, whether they're ruffle tees or regular tees. And then this is some new item. This is a little bubble sunsuit. It's a unisex bubble sunsuit. And then it goes on to John John's. And the John John seersuckers and John John gingham. And then here is the gingham dresses and newborn sashes, and then onesies, various onesies, rompers, gowns, and shorts. I think I'm gonna run out of room though because I don't know. I'm gonna have to rearrange, probably add some more. I got these stackable things from Amazon. They are linked below. These stackable things, I got them from Container Store. You might be able to find them in your area. I know when I found these, I lucked out. They only had these left. I took them all. And they only had these left, and they were on clearance. So, I have all my tulle up here. And these are my miscellaneous products that I've made. Maybe I messed up on something that I didn't want to give them to the buyer. I didn't feel it was good enough. And then here's some dresses that I got from S&S, just various dresses I wanted for stock just to see if I liked them. And then these are all my sample sashes, like make the design and then take a picture of sashes. Hats. Easter stuff, like baskets and bunnies to embroidery on. I have bags down here as well as some more baby fabric down there. So I still have room maybe to put another set of baskets, but then it'd be hard for me to grab. Maybe if I do it long ways, I don't know. And then this corner is just kind of like junk. I got a guitar. Yeah. So that's where I keep all my stock and my ring light stand. So yeah, that is my room in a nutshell. My new office, my new embroidery office. Like I said, I still have my tumblers. I still make my tumblers upstairs. I try to keep that separate because I don't want glitter and stuff on my embroidery products. So all that is in a different office, different room. So thanks for watching, and thanks for this is my tour of my new office area. Bye.